I wanted to go back and add this to the beginning of the video. What you are about to watch is not the right way to do something. It is pretty much hack bodywork. You can call it that if you want to. I'll be fine with it. What I did on the rockers of this car will last as long as the rest of it does before something happens to the car. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Again, in this video I'll show how I patch a 2002 Pontiac Sunfire rocker. It's 8 out with rust. We got the new patch panel. I'm going to cut this one down to about here, all the way back to the back, then up through here, down the seam, up to about in this seam, all the way up to the front. And I've got a new rocker in the car. And here it is. Gonna cut it here and here. And that'll end up looking like the driver's side. Tack welds every couple inches, all the way down through there, across the bottom, seam seal the weld, and I sprayed it white with color match spray paint. I'm pretty much done for today, so tomorrow I'll show a little bit more on how to do that. It's a fairly cheap, quick, and easy way. See you in a few. Alright, I got it cut off. Back in a few. Alright, I'm back. I got it tack welded in and primered and seam sealed. The whole point of this was not to make it pretty. It was to make the rust be gone. This car has side skirts that cover most of the holes, but the rust on both sides had gotten so bad that they were falling off. It looked fine on this side. The passenger side will look fine after I get it painted and put back on. Back in a few with more. Oh, and yeah, you could pretty well call this a hack job. It pretty much is. The only main advantage with doing it the way I did it is I replaced it with metal instead of fiberglass filler or Bondo. It's a 2002 Pontiac Sunfire 4-door. This patch will last long enough. I've been trying to do these videos more for entertainment anyway. Back in with more in a few. Alright. I got some white paint sprayed on it. In a few minutes I'm going to put the cover back over it. Back in a few. Alright. It's done. Looks good enough to me. At least that's not falling off now. Back in a few. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.